Okay, this is a question that someone had over the MathXL assignment. And the first problem was negative 2x minus y is greater than or equal to 6. Y is greater than or equal to negative 6, and x is greater than or equal to negative 6. And it says to graph the solution set of the system, which means if you're doing this one is really easy, and this one's really easy. They're both going to be solid. And in this case, the greater than means you're going to shade above it. In this case, you're going to shade above it, which means when it's a vertical line, that means you're shading it to the right. Okay, this one up here, though, is going to take a little bit more work. So if I have negative 2x minus y is greater than or equal to 6, I have to solve this thing for y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the 6 from both sides, and then I'm going to add the y. So what I have here is y is less than or equal to negative 2x minus 6. That's important because that means that my slope is going to be 2 over negative 1, which means I'm going to go up 2 units into the left 1. And then my b value is negative 6, so that's my y-intercept, 0, negative 6. So from there, you're going to plot that information. And before we go on, actually, I want you to know this is going to be a solid line. And I'm going to shade below it because it's strictly less than 1. So if I take this information right here, and I graph this, my slope was negative 2 over 1, so that's up 2 units into the left 1. And I have the y-intercept of 0, negative 6. And I'm simply going to graph that. Okay? So if I come back over here, I know I'm going to graph the point 0, negative 6. 0, negative 6 brings me down here. And then I need to go up 2 units and to the left 1. Up 2 units to the left 1. Up 2 units to the left 1. Up 2 units to the left 1. And I'm going to connect that with a solid line. Okay, so we're back to step 9. And then I said I was going to be shading below that. So if I shade below this thing, that puts me right under here. Okay? Then the other one that I need to graph is going to be y is greater than or equal to negative 6. Well, where's negative 6? That's going to give me a horizontal line. So if I want a horizontal line at negative 6, 2, 4, 6, that puts me here. Okay? So if I move this up just a little bit, and then if I shade that, I want to be above that, like greater than or equal to, so there I'm at. And then my last one is going to be when x is greater than or equal to negative 6. So again, a solid line, but this time a vertical line, 2, 4, 6, brings me right here. And again, I want to shade above that, maybe to the right. If I'm shading to the right, that means I'm right here. So where do all 3 of these intersect? This is where they're actually asking for that solution set. So I want to be right in here. See my smiling faces? Your smiling faces are actually going to be the place where this thing intersects. This little triangle there. And again, if you guys need more help, go ahead and email me the problem, and I'll see what I can do to help you guys out.